Good morning. It's a Wednesday. Starting to drink coffee every morning again. Also, it's getting bright. I think it's gonna get warmer now. Let's cross our fingers. Yo ikitenkai. Let's go. Yo, just got back home. Got this from the principal. 2 pieces of chocolate. Huh. And this always happens, like almost every week there's some sort of a snack the principal hands out, which is really cool. Apparently this was a gift given to the principal, but the principal is like, I'm gonna hand it out to all the teachers. Tekimaku. Coffee chocolate. Thank you, principal.
予定です。はい、マークさんですね。はい、はい、2個口もう一つ来ます。はい、
ありがとうございます。
はい、はい、よろしくお願いします。失礼します。
Finally, my birthday is coming up on March 20, and today is March 10th. But this is a birthday gift from my older sister, from my ate. Hi, ate. Thank you so much for the gift. Apparently this was supposed to be a surprise, but good thing she did tell me because I was gonna go to kickboxing today, but instead I waited for this because this had a set delivery time of like 6 to 8 p.m. Alright, it says here microwave oven. That's sexy. And my sister got me this as well. Got some stuff here. Now I gotta build this thing. It looks like that. It's got this little sliding bit here in the bottom. And I still have shelf space on top. There's the microwave. Cool, huh? This is like perfectly sized. Damn, my sister is amazing at online shopping. And I'm so glad that I have this screwdriver, which I got for free along with my shelf unit right up there. Okay, it's like 11:30ish and I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna cook just some leftover enoki mushrooms, an egg with a little bit of honsiu, and a bunch of nira, all of the ones that I have left over. So it looks like that. It's not the prettiest. Let's see what it tastes like. That's what matters. Itadakimaku. Okay. That's good. I was expecting the nira to have a stronger taste, but it's kind of just like I'm eating some sort of a green leafy vegetable.